did you know that the CEO of Fast Track Trading actually said something about the payments recently? And did you know that the drama is still unfolding all over Twitter, as well as they're gonna have a town square coming up here pretty soon? If you didn't know any about this, then let's jump into it. All right, guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Let's not waste any time and jump right on into X. All right, guys, without any further delay, we're going to jump straight into a clip here directly from the CEO of Fast Track Trading. It was recorded by apparently JesseW here on X. Come on over here and we hit play. Let's go ahead and take a listen.
Here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again. Here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again.
Let's hear that again.
Here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again.
That sounds to me like it's straight up an admission of that was what the plan was with the rule change. Obviously, that's what everybody has been suspecting and saying on social media now for days. But did he just really say himself, I will never rug pull payments again? I mean, we all talked about the term rug pull because that's certainly what it felt like a rug pull like you see in crypto when they launch a brand new coin and the makers pump it up, and then when it reaches a real nice big peak, they sell out all of their coins, and it's known as a rug pull. It crashes and it goes to zero. So again,
here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again.
Here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again. Meaning that's what he's classifying it himself as. It's a rug pull. Because, I mean, look, let's be honest. If it's a rug pull, it's because if they would have put out all those payments, then what? The firm would have been insolvent? Wouldn't have had enough to cover the payments? I mean, that's the reality of it. That's what it seems like. That's what one would be led to believe using the terminology like rug pull. Let's see what else is going on here on Twitter. So then we have here Sage, Fast Track Trading. Why does that name sound familiar? I feel like that name was attached to another firm at some point. Sage, right? I've seen it on YouTube. That name sounds very familiar to me. If you guys know, drop it in the comment section. Let me know who Sage is, why this sounds familiar to me. Where's he from? Apparently he's doing a $100 giveaway to 5 lucky winners. Scroll down a little bit here. Join our affiliate program, Fast Track Trading, and earn a fantastic 15% commission on every sale until December 31st. After that, it drops to 10%. How is that enticing? Join and we will pay you 15% to start, and then we're just going to take 5% away. It's not enough money to get me to join them anymore, because didn't we have this one in my previous video? $55,000 payout denied from Fast Track Trading because they changed the rules after I got to the payout. If you're thinking about wiring them, don't expect to see any return. We have rescheduled. Oh, here it is. So I heard that we're going to do like a town square type thing. We have rescheduled our updates AMA to Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to focus on payouts today and tomorrow. Oh, they're focusing on payouts today and tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, they're going to do this and they're going to be addressing the community concerns regarding FTT rule update. I mean, yeah, what? Why would you postpone this to work on payouts? Your payouts are screwed as it is. 2 more days of waiting in order to address the actual problem. I don't think it's going to be like if you come out and tell people, look, guys, we got to pause payouts today or tomorrow, or you don't even have to say you pause. We're just going to work slower on payouts today and tomorrow. Our payouts are going to ramp up after Wednesday because we need to address all these rules. First and foremost, this is why, and this is the time we're going to do it, and everyone's welcome. It's like they can't get their foot out their mouth. The honest trader gambler. I love the honesty. Fast Track Trading now denied recent refunds inquiry. They are dead ass broke. Whoever is still waiting time and buying, you are fools. I emailed Scott, first payout approved on the 14th. It's under 7,000, but I really need it and I'm eagerly waiting. Wait, your payout was approved on the 14th? It's been 14 days since then, and it hasn't been approved. Today's the 28th of October. Oh, wow. Here's the CEO of Fast Track Trading. Guys, what do you know about this guy's background? Drop it in the comment section below. I mean, I've never seen him before. I've never heard the name until Fast Track Trading. I don't know if he's been affiliated with other firms or what. I've really never seen that picture, this name, anything. These protocols are working very well. Thank you for following the directions closely. If you do not get a payout confirmation email from 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 auto approval, only this date for now, please email. So if you didn't get a payout approval automatically from those dates, then email them. JMU says, Scam and Scott Triste, CEO of Fast Track Trading, showing off his math skills last night. Don't forget, just rug pulled, quote unquote, his own traders for $10 million in payouts. Avoid. Why don't you just pay your traders what you owe if you have money laying around? We absolutely are. 5 million scheduled in the next 7 days. Likely 1.5 of it is this week alone. All of you make valid points. Please come to our Twitter AMA tomorrow and speak to me directly. That's been postponed till Wednesday because this was October 27th. Also today, the 28th, is when they were supposed to have that. Bad luck to postpone something like that. FTT has made tough decisions, as every firm eventually will. Ultimately, it's up to the trader to decide if they want to stay. There's room for everyone in this industry. No one wins when a firm goes under. Just look at my Forex funds. Let's stay unified. Cheers. It is true that no one wins when a firm goes under, but I mean, who wins? I guess the firm wins when you rug pull payments. I was gonna say who wins when you rug pull payments. Whoopsie. You can learn a lot from someone if they are still willing to promote a scam like Fast Track Trading. Okay, so here we have a tweet from Matt, who's the CEO from My Funded Futures. And if you're interested in trading with My Funded Futures, link in the description and comment section of this video. Use my code, all caps, JesseW, JesseW, for the best and deepest discount. Guys, if you've been affected by Fast Track Trading and you have not received your payout, let me know in the comment section right now how much you are owed in a payout. I would love to know, and I would love to know how long you've been waiting for this payout. Were you affected by these new rules? Matt says, enough is enough. My Funded Futures will be terminating all relationships with any affiliate continuing to promote firms who blatantly deny millions of dollars in payouts. Good intentions or not, this is not acceptable. Why don't you just pay your traders what you owe if you have money laying around? And that is in response to Scott, the CEO of Fast Track Trading, who retweeted Matt's tweet and commented this. This is some big boy move for a little man. What kind of a way is that for a CEO to talk on social media, dude? Matt Leach, we are happy to overpay an affiliate who doesn't want to take orders from a hypocrite. To overpay? You mean offer them 15% commission until December something and then dump it down to 10%? Is that supposed to be an overpayment? Oh my God, bro. Like, this is just, it gets worse and worse. The more you go down this Twitter rabbit hole, it just gets even worse. Hey, look, yours truly right here. I've had a handful of people recommend Fast Track Trading to me. I did my due diligence and checked them out for a while to see if they were trustworthy, and I'd honestly not recommend. Too many issues, promises, people waiting for their payouts for weeks while affiliate payouts roll through. I've heard affiliates not getting paid as well. Too many account crashes, huge sales to recover money for payouts. Don't be blind to what is in front of you. If they can recover from this, good for them. But as for now, I would suggest anyone I wouldn't suggest anyone to jump into the lines then. This was a tweet today by whoever that is on the 28th. Yeah, I've heard of even affiliates not getting paid out. Go figure. Fast Track Trading is having issues with their credit card system, so you're forced to wire them. Indisputable. Let my losses be your savior. You will not get paid, as they won't pay me. I don't know who this guy is. Best prop firms if you're a high risk, high reward trader. Top Step, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. I'm not sure how that works because I believe Take Profit Trader has a 20% consistency. So that high risk, high reward wouldn't work very well there. High win rate traders, Fast Track Trading, and Apex. I would suggest not Fast Track Trading to anyone. When was this done? October 19th. I think that was before all the drama happened. Fast Track Trading HR manager being rude and unprofessional in a Discord server is something. I don't like firms with delayed payouts. Currently, I have 5 Top Step XFAs, 2 Take Profit Pro accounts, and ... If you don't like it, why are you here? J, HR manager. Oh my God. This is what happens when you have leadership that is toxic. It just trickles from the top down. It trickles from the top down. It's part of the culture. If the top leader in a company, in an organization, in a friends group, in a family, in a sports team, in any team is toxic, Anything that is not toxic will be pushed out, and nothing but toxicity will be able to flourish in that environment. This is one of the reasons why Apex fired a bunch of people way back when they were being super toxic in their Discord. That's one of the reasons they fired a bunch of people, because you can't have that toxic stuff and expect to things continue to go smooth, for people to be happy. Whoever this HR manager is, if you don't like it, why are you here? Do you think that's a proper way to reply to a customer on social media? I'd be flabbergasted. Look, bro, if I was the CEO of a company and I'm scrolling across and I see somebody, one of my employees, reply in this fashion to a customer, whether they deserved it or not, on social media, the very first thing I'm doing right then and there is I'm calling their manager. Whoever supervises their department, I'm calling them. Like, hey, yo, this is completely unacceptable. You're gonna reach out, you're gonna apologize to that client, okay? You're gonna sit down, you got one chance. You're gonna talk with this person, and this cannot happen again. This is not allowed. It's not allowed, period. You want to talk crap later when you hang up or when you're done talking to the customer because you're mad because the customer was a bit of a douchebag, by all means, but never like this in front of everyone. Do that in private to yourself, with your coworker, with your manager. You know, you can vent there, but no, what is that? If you don't like it, why are you here? How about, I'm sorry that you don't like the process. What would make you feel better? Attention, fast track trades is a scam. Just because this trader is frustrated and left a 1-star review on Trustpilot, Scott is giving someone else his payout that he has been waiting for 2 months, which means he's not getting paid anymore. 4,000 plus traders waiting for a payout. Oh my God. Here it is. You can read it all for yourself. Look, see, what kind of behavior is this? This person comes out, they have put in for a payout. For whatever reason, it was declined. I'd imagine it has to do with the new rules. And then they're pissed, rightfully so, because the rules that they were playing by, that they agreed to, were changed overnight and it affected their payout. It's crazy. And then they go and they leave a 1-star review. They have all the right in the world to do that because that's what is deserved. And the CEO of the company writes this on Discord. I'm guessing, yeah, this is Discord main lobby up here. You can see that. There you go. You can see that main lobby. Who wants this guy's payout? On that note, my friends, we can close it up. If you want to look at more stuff, just go into x.com, go to the search bar, type fast track trading, and you will have entertainment on there for a lot of time, like hours and hours and hours and hours of entertainment. If you want to learn more, any questions, drop them in the comment section below for me. Thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. I hope this gets better. And if you were affected by fast track trading, drop it in the comment section below. Let me know how much you are owed in paid outs and pray that you get it. Guys, I will see you on another one. Peace.